place looks like hell. But I'll keep working this land, there's no rest for the broke. I'll beg the banking man to defer another note. Ground's too wet, it's too damn dry. My tractor just sits 'cause the diesel's too high. Can't afford hay, I guess I'll sell my cattle. I think this time around could be more than I can handle. Last winter things was looking up, and in the spring it come a flood. Well, it turned this prime farm ground into Mississippi mud. Then with the summer came a sun, and it dried up all the rain. And it didn't quit shining till it burned up everything. But I'll keep working this land, there's no rest for the broke. I'll beg the banking man to defer another note. Ground's too wet, it's too damn dry. My tractor just sits 'cause the diesel's too high. Can't afford hay, I guess I'll sell my cattle. I think this time around more than I can handle. Meanwhile, the bills keep stacking up. Collectors call me every day. While I'm in too deep to walk away and let the bank take everything. Well, all I need is one good year. I'll dig myself out of a ditch. Well, my daddy made it look easy, but lately farming's been a bitch. So I'll keep working this land, there's no rest for the broke. I'll beg the banking man to defer another note. Ground's too wet, it's too damn dry. My tractor just sits 'cause the diesel's too high. Can't afford hay, I guess I'll sell my cattle. I think this time around it'll be more than I can handle. Well, I can hear my daddy now. He kicked the dirt and cussed the ground. He'd say, "Son, take heed, this farm will break a man down." And looking back on it now, well, I only wish I would've listened. Instead of sounding away my life here to this agricultural prison. So I'll keep working this land, there's no rest for the broke. I'll beg the banking man to defer another note. Ground's too wet, it's too damn dry. My tractor just sits 'cause the diesel's too high. Can't afford hay, I guess I'll sell my cattle. I think this time around could be more than I can handle. Well, I think this time